What makes a smart security camera truly intelligent? And how does the ability to differentiate between objects, animals, and people bring us closer to that peace of mind we all desire? When buying a smart security camera, you want to make sure that wherever you are, your home is always in good hands. But smart security cameras are either overly complicated, unreliable, expensive, or all of the above. So 1 year ago, we set up to change all that.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm co-founder and VP of Engineering at iCloud, and this is what we've been working on.
Driven by Intel Movidius 12-core VPU, iCloudCam is the first battery-powered security camera to run an embedded neural network. For efficient power consumption, the camera uses one core, while the other ones are waiting to be wakened by an event. When iCloudCam sees an unknown person, it starts recording and sends a notification containing the images of the event, along with the option to trigger an acoustic alarm. iCloudCam captures and encrypts crisp HD videos, day and night, and works on hardcore rechargeable batteries that last up to 6 months. Truly wireless and cordless, it can be placed anywhere, inside or outside, keeping your surroundings cable-free and safe. Have it hanging off a metallic object, or simply place it on a flat surface. Plug and play, if you will, except there's nothing to plug. Essential to our innovation was our experience working on Intel's Movidius VPU, as well as our know-how in computer vision, image sensors, and AI algorithms. We used machine learning to feed the camera countless scenarios to ensure the least amount of false alarms possible. We created an all-in-one smart security camera that delivers real-time person and face detection that is truly wireless and affordable.
And now, the reason we are here, setting high goals, calls for big investments. We are finally ready to make this fantastic product a reality. All your contributions will go into fine-tuning and manufacturing as we move on from prototyping into mass production. This is the first big step for iCloud. Be part of this journey to the smart home of the future. Thank you.
iSmart Alarm has been the leader in DIY smart home security for 4 years, with exceptional control, visibility, and protection. There are a lot of cameras on the market, but their limited visibility can compromise your security. We think security should be fast, responsive, and focused. With this in mind, we developed the iCamera Keep Pro.
Events happen fast, so the iCamera Keep Pro reacts fast. With motion tracking technology, this camera identifies, tracks, and records any event that takes place in your home, preventing burglaries and allowing you the convenience of being able to identify emergencies in real time. Enjoy the peace of mind in knowing that your home is safe and your family is protected.
You can target specific areas of your home and prevent false alarms with custom activity zones in the app. Sound recognition software identifies the sound of smoke and carbon monoxide sirens in your home, and you'll receive immediate notifications in an emergency. With an industry-leading 4-megapixel image sensor, the iCamera Keep Pro has 1080p HD resolution, time-lapse, free cloud video recording, and much more. The iCamera Keep Pro is fast, responsive, and focused. Everything your smart home security should be.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmart Alarm. For the last 3 years, we've been a leader in smart home security, and we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing. And in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, And we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern penning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place Spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's two-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple spots, and with the entire iSmart Alarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there. And with your help, we can make it even better with the stretch goals we have outlined below.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
Take a look at the information below on Spot's features, capabilities, app controls, and more. And then, pick a Spot.